What is it, Mishu? What is it, Mishu? John, what are you going to do with your fire truck?
I'll write this instruction in.
Oh, good job. Is he going to be the firefighter?
What?
Is he going to be your firefighter?
Oh.
Oh, Selena, honey, you were grabbing your toy a minute ago. I was hoping Selena would start grabbing her toys again so Mama could take a picture. I hear a fire truck. Come on, Selena.